Welcome to Retro Scale Modelling. This is part 6 of AMT's Battle of Hoth action scene, scale 1 to 156, and it's from the Star Wars movie Empire Strikes Back. Now part 6 is the final review, but before we get into that, as always, my thoughts on the kit. Now straight off, this kit is very simple to put together. The content of the kit is quite refreshing as well. You get a lot inside this kit to recreate the Battle of Hoth. You don't really need to add anything into it. Now I changed the shield generator because I didn't like the molding of them, but that's just my personal choice. You can of course keep the original molding if you prefer. There are some flashing on the figures in particular. That's a bit of a problem because of the size of the figures. They are tiny, so when you're trying to take that flashing off, there's a danger of cutting into the plastic and taking away some detail. Again, it's just due to the size of the actual figures, but it is doable with a bit of patience. But saying that, I do actually like the scale of the diorama and kit itself, although I think it'd be more comfortable building a larger one. And when I've had in mind to build the Battle of Hoth scene, I've always imagined it to be a bigger scale. But that would mean scratch building a lot of things to get that to work. And I've had this kit in my stash for quite some time, so I thought, oh well, I may as well just do this one and see how it turns out. Now this kit can be done by anyone, so beginners and upwards. It's nothing too taxing that a beginner can deal with. In fact, because of the moulding on the base, it's a bit easier to follow with the walkers, placements and things like that, because the pre-formed mould is already there. So it's ideal for a beginner who's looking to do their first diorama. But you can still go wrong easily on this kit through colour choices and placement on the diorama. Now, personally, I think I didn't do this kit justice. My painting wasn't up to my normal standards. I may have rushed it a bit, I don't know. But it wasn't as sharp as planning on doing it. I know I don't like doing the perfect look, which I've said multiple times, but it's just a little bit too rough for my liking. Now, I do have another one of these in my stash, lucky enough, so I may revisit it at some point and see if I can do a better job. But saying that, overall, I think it does look okay. I just feel like I could have done a better job, but it may be my own worst critic. So just let me know in the comments if you think it's not good enough or whatever. I'm on the side of could have done better. So all that's left to say really is subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and if you do, make sure you hit that notification bell. That'll let you know about all my up and coming builds in the future. Hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment, especially if you think this one's not a particularly good representation of what I've done in the past and so forth. And of course you can share the video. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the final reveal. I'll see you on the next build. Bye for now.